Oh my God. Yeah, the special touch.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Hi guys, I'm Gianluca from Spaghetteria, and today I show you how do you make the fresh pasta with the pesto of asparagus. A special guest, the two pasta lovers, my friends Bas and Flor. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. So let's start it. Preheat the oven 100 degrees. We start with the confit because the confit we need more time to cook. In half, the cherry tomato, oil, extra virgin oil, salt and pepper, oregano, asali, margarine, also the fresh one, like this, sugar.
No.
Why the sugar? Yeah, guys, why the sugar? Caramel is amazing inside the asparagus.
So this is your secret?
Yeah, the special touch.
Yeah.
The aroma we put in the oven, perfect, it's already preheat, and voila, nice. We start with the dough. Which pasta you like?
Tagliatelle.
Ah,
Definitely.
tagliatelle.
Ravioli.
Ah, ravioli, yeah. We create sort of vulcano. Break the egg inside the hole, mix the flour. Perfect, guys. And now we start with the hand, like this. If you don't have a pain in the shoulder, means the dough is bad, okay? Nice, guys. The dough is ready when you do this. Look, it's very, very soft. This is the perfect dough for the perfect fresh pasta. We cover, half an hour is enough, okay? Tarocco.
Tarocco.
Is a tarocco, yeah, for cutting the dough. Create a bowl, push it a little bit, top, the middle, out, twist, voila.
Cute.
Remember, it's perfect for start to cut the pasta. Rolling the other side is tagliatella, like this. It's pappardelle. Okay, try guys. A finger.
A finger, okay.
This is perfect. Okay.
Okay.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I like. And the pasta is done. Look.
Oh, that's so nice.
Eh? You put it like this. And now we make the pesto. Take asparagus. We cut the head. Put in a part. Like this. Perfect.
Like this.
Now I take the pan with the water, guys. Very high. The head of asparagus here, yeah. You heard the sound?
Yeah.
It's fresh. We put the salt in the water. We need the pecorino to put the salt side inside the pesto. You wanna try, guys?
Yeah.
Aperitivo. Tell last
Really
time
good.
yeah, very good. It's time to cook the asparagus. A garlic, if you want. Put the
Okay.
pecorino there, yeah. Nice, perfect. Put extra virgin oil.
How much?
Two fingers. We need the fat inside also.
So like
no?
this?
Perfect. Salt and pepper. Nice. Perfect. The base of the pesto is ready. We try in case. Check the tomato. Oh, look. Yeah.
Oh, it looks really good.
Looks really good.
Almost done, yeah.
How do you check the asparagus?
With
Just
a-
squeeze it a little bit?
Allora, if you have a brave, you can touch.
Okay.
Because it's hot,
Yeah.
okay? But also the color. When you see the color in the water, you see?
Yes.
Or the smell of asparagus, you see?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
still ready.
Because you can really smell it already.
Yeah. You don't want to drain completely because we want the water of the asparagus for cook the pasta. Because
Wow,
the
you
water.
reuse it.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, guys. Much flavor, no? Inside the pasta with this way. Look, it's amazing.
Looks good.
Nice.
I think it's good.
It's good. Nice, eh? The pesto is ready. We take a burrata. One burrata for 3 person is good. Also here we put a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper. Okay? Perfect, like this. Nice. A leaf of basillicum. Oh my God, guys.
Oh yeah.
Remember the Mediterranean, the sea, the sun, no?
I need to go on holidays.
Yes, definitely.
4, 5 is good, yeah. Okay, perfect. And also the burrata is ready. Almost
When
finished,
are we
sorry.
going to cook the pasta?
Already, yeah. Now we put the salt in the water, okay. Now we check the confit are ready or not.
Oh, that looks really good.
I like it. Nice. Really smells good.
Nice.
Yeah, this we use for a final touch. Okay, and now we put finally the pasta, okay.
Finally.
And watch out, guys, because really in 2 minutes are ready, eh? Okay.
2 minutes.
Yeah,
2
it's
minutes.
ready. It's ready. It's ready. Okay, dry. For the head of asparagus. Okay. Nice. The head of asparagus are ready. We are ready also to eat the pasta.
Finish it, yeah.
2-3 spoons of pesto to the burrata. Yeah. The
You
color.
can see the caramel as well.
Yeah. You can put on the top like this. Final touch, guys. A lot of pecorino.
Wow.
Feel? The combination with the sweet, with the fresh of a burrata, with the pesto.
This is the best pasta ever.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. But
Yes.
I talk too much, guys.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you
It's
so,
the best
guys,
pasta
for
ever.
helping. Yeah.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers to that.